Hello, my dear people. A very good morning from the mountains of Montana. I just woke up next to my bike in a tent. A very good morning. This is my cooking setup. It's basically all I have to cook. This is jet boil. It is twice as efficient as regular stove to boil water, and also if you are high up in the mountains you would also want to have jet boil just because of its fueling system. Now what I do, I store everything inside the jet boil, like my spoon, my knife, my lighter, and this guy. Now I need to put this all together just like this. Now I put my jet boil on top of the fuel canister, and I use lighter because jet boils are known for their lighting element to break for in the first trip. So yeah. I'm riding with my friend Tim today. You can probably see him in my back mirror right there. Yay! Hey Tim! But yeah, it's a good day of gravel riding in Montana, and it's my first time exploring Montana, not just passing through somewhere on the edge. I really love the forest here. This kind of forests make me feeling belong to the place. This last shot of a drone that you've seen, where I ride next to it, it actually was a drone just coming back home. I actually was thinking that I lost my drone, but that's good that I did not. Okay, maybe not. Now I'm looking for a place to do a U-turn. So yeah, my I lost connection with my drone, and that was kind of scary. Okay, let's try here. Even though I'm gonna replace it with the mini, but still I can probably sell my drone for the same amount of money, even though it is all scratched and beaten, for the same amount of money like the new mini drone will cost me. So yeah, not fun, but I was lucky to find it. So yeah, it's different, like riding when filming is totally different from riding when you are just going on adventure. It's just two absolutely completely different styles of riding. Yay, nice bridge, nice bridge. My camera is on. Wanna say something?
Something?
Something. Okay,
I
something.
don't know, it's been a fun ride though.
Yeah.
I do that all the time. That's my way to get to Troy.
Okay.
This whole ride. So, but anyway, yeah.
Yeah, let's get back to the campground.
Say yay.
Yay, yay!
There we go.
Okay. Montana, empty roads, love this. I don't have a preference on riding solo versus riding with a riding buddy. I think that was fun. I'm on the road, and you probably don't get this if you eat meat, but for me it's usually super hard to find food on the road, especially if this is a small town like this, or on gas stations. Best that they will have, it will be tuna, like tuna sandwich, and that would work for me because I eat seafood and I eat fish, just no meat. But in really small and remote towns, they do not have even tuna, so it's usually turkey and ham and everything. So for today my lunch looks like the bread that I just bought in the grocery store, and Gouda cheese, and I will be just take pieces with my hands from these and eating this. yeah, that's why I always carry food with me when on the road, because for me it's almost impossible to, well, almost impossible to find good quality and tasty and all food in the stores. And I'm back to the campground. I feel so tired after the, like, I have to keep up with all my jobs and all. It's not only riding and having fun, but also making money, and YouTube is a lot of work. So right now I'm at the point where I'm so tired that I do not enjoy things properly. So I'll probably gonna take a break for a month, couple of months or so. But yeah, for today the break will look like just me laying down on the ground. Up, and here is my tent on the left. Just like this. Whew. Maybe washing some sweat off in the river that's down there first. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys next Sunday. It's pouring rain outside, and my tent has small holes all over the top layer, so not sure, but we'll see, I guess. Haven't been in the rain in the tent for a while. I'm going just to get to sleep, and that's it.